Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and if I look a little different it's because my hair is dyed. I just dyed it from blonde to this copper red, so it's still me. But today I want to do a little haul of my most recent thrift store finds. So in my last video I went to this store called Upscale Resale Thrift in Laguna Niguel, and we actually spent a whopping total of $195. So I'm going to show you everything I got from the thrift store with that money. You're probably thinking $195 at the thrift is a lot of money, and I will tell you that two of the pieces that I got took up most of that budget, and I will show you what those are last. But let's start off with some of the more cheaper items. I have this blue long sleeve like turtleneck. This is perfect for winter. I'll show a little video of me like trying it on over here so you can see what it looks like on. Next up, I have a Miami sweatshirt pullover. I got this because I'm actually going to Miami next week for Art Week in Miami. I'm still debating if I'm going to end up doing a full vlog on it. Let me know if that's something that you want to see in the comments, and I will balance out if I will have the time and energy to do that. And I also got this like zip tight pullover. This is going to be great for layering. I'm also going to New York in December, so just a little long sleeve, something casual. I'll also show a video of it here so you can see. And then I got this dress. I will also show a video of that here. This is not my usual style, but I got this for Art Week in Miami. I feel like this is more of like a more professional looking dress if I do end up going to the galleries, or I'll help my friend like work one of the galleries. So that's what this dress is for. Okay, and now are the two more expensive items. I will start off with this jacket that they had in the like store display. So I think that's what kind of sold me on it. It's a brown jacket with suede like leather on the side paneling, and then this collar, I actually took it off because I'm trying to get it dry cleaned, but this fur collar, I looked on the tag, it's actual raccoon fur, which is kind of odd to me. Like, I would never purchase animal furs, but you know, we thrifted it. I feel like that's a little bit better. But this is a real raccoon fur. Raccoons kind of scare me. Like, they remind me of like, I don't know, just scavengers. I feel like they are scavengers. But this is the base of the jacket. Really pretty. And then the little fur that was on here. Anything with fur I feel like is just already like expensive and looks expensive. This jacket was sold at the thrift store for $50, and I feel like that's a pretty good deal for what it is. Last most expensive piece was this Bohemian Traders long sleeve denim. I looked it up online, and these usually resale for $225. So this was a steal, I could tell, and it had the tags on it too when I bought it. I'll show a little video of me trying it on. I've already worn this. I love a oversized denim. This will also be good if I want to bring it to New York as like a just, you know, jacket over my sweaters and whatnot. But yeah, this was the most expensive piece. I bought it for $75. That is it for the thrift haul, but I have a special guest that wanted to show you guys my haul as well. I'm gonna insert that clip next, and thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.
So today we're doing a haul, and it's the boyfriend haul. So I'm actually gonna be going over everything that Ray has got from the thrift store. So look, number one is the Rat Pack brown sweater jacket. You see the little rat tail, right? You see that, and then you see the brown, and it's kind of short, but it actually has like a belt. Look, it has a belt, and it goes around, and it connects. Okay, so that's one thing. Little black velvet, like this little look. It zips up. It zips up. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. It zips up. I can't zip it up, but it's like a super spy, like, you know, if she was Catwoman type. She has this Betsy Johnson looking floral like dress, I would say. And it has like the bell bottom sleeves. Look at those. Look at that. That is artsy. That is artsy, right? So that's that. Then she has this baby blue. Another one of her like you know, Superwoman, athletic. It looked like she could go skiing in this, but it's a little thin. Tight, you know, so she would wear this under something. Last is my sleepy blanket. It was on the bed next to all of her stuff, so I showed you guys what is the sleepy blanket that I have. So that's not a part of the thrift haul, but I just figured I'd show you guys that I do have the sleepy blanket. So, all right, I'm out of here. That was the boyfriend version of the haul. Appreciate y'all guys for tuning in. See you next time. Peace.